Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Lucky Trader and how you can now download the Lucky Trader with no restrictions at all. They have all been removed. Now, a while ago we made a completely free version of the Lucky Trader available for trading, and many traders, after trading it for 2 weeks, were ecstatic and just wanted to have a version where they could trade on live accounts. So now there are two versions of the Lucky Trader available for download. And in fact, you can download both versions and trade them separate. The free version is valid for 30 days, cannot be traded on live accounts, and cannot be optimized on the strategies tester. And we have now introduced a paid version, which is valid permanently. So there's no time restriction on the trading of that version. It can be traded on live accounts. It can be optimized on the strategy tester. And it can be used as often as you like on as many accounts and as many platforms as you like, as long as you do not trade on more than 2 computers. So that's very lenient. Now, for more information about the Lucky Trader, please go to the Lucky Trader's website, the one you can see on your screen. A clickable link will be in the description of the video as well as in the first commentary of the video. And what you'll see there are, you'll see the settings provided for this Lucky Trader, the successful settings, the ones that produce 100% success in increasing your account size. Then you can look at the initial test results. You can look at purchase options. There are purchase options for first-time owners, existing clients, YouTube clients, and also premium club members. You can also see the Lucky Trader trade. There's a video, it's about 20 minutes long, and you can actually see a trade and make lots of money. You can see the support that we provide for this robot and also some problem-solving tips. But there are so many other ownership benefits that you will see on this particular page. So we're quite excited about making this particular version available for trading by our clients. And please remember, you can download it today. Hop onto the Lucky Trader webpage. Now, please remember that this is a launch special that we have going at the moment. So the price that you see on the webpage will be a very special launch price. And I sincerely hope you take advantage of this launch price after reviewing the webpage and all the benefits of ownership. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.